Hey everybody, this is Dan with Data Trend. Today is Thursday, February 26th. It's 5:21 a.m. Mountain Time. The market's open here at 7:30, so we're about 2 hours ahead of the market open. I wanted to talk this morning about the RUT Butterfly position. And yesterday I made a partial close to the trade, and so we're going to talk about this morning. And I'll also go over why I decided to do that. So what we're looking at right now is the position as of the close yesterday, and this assumes that I hadn't done any sort of a partial close. And what I did is I closed, I have a butterfly centered here around 1180, and so I closed this, it's the 1130, 1180, 1230 butterfly. And the reason I did that is mostly related to the price action in RUT. So yesterday RUT closed up at 1235. But if we hop over here, this is a 90-day, 65-minute chart. And so with Russell, what we're seeing here is we're just seeing this pattern of higher highs and higher lows, and keeps pushing higher and higher and higher. And even yesterday, we got a new intraday high that immediately sold off. But I'm sort of watching the market, and it's finding support along this 5-day moving average, which is the yellow moving average here. The 10-day is the red. And so far, really, Russell hasn't wanted to break lower and sort of give us a deeper pullback, say even down to the 10-day moving average, which is around 1225 right now, or even deeper than that, say to 1215. And my sense here is just that the Russell seems to want to go higher much more than it wants to go lower. We might get a little bit of a pullback, and that's okay, but really, I mean, we're talking about maybe down to, say, the 1220 level or something like that would be a little bit of a deeper pullback. But for the time being, even though the market is extended, it can continue higher. It can certainly do whatever it wants for as long as it wants. So let's hop over here and take a look at this. This is the position that includes all of the prior adjustments. And so I have all of the rolls and the closes and the things like that down here. And what I did yesterday is I just sold out. This was the 1180 as though I had bought it, at 1040. And what I did is I sold it out for 850. So this is our position right now, as though I still owned it. And this is the position afterwards, after I sold it. So let's just jump back here. What I was looking at is I'm looking at negative delta of 26. I'm short 15 gamma. Got some good theta here. I'm short a little vega, but I'm really close to hitting this 1240 adjustment level, or I was really close to hitting this 1240 adjustment level when I was sitting in the trade as it was. And I just wasn't comfortable with it. I didn't like it. I didn't want Russell, to wake up and Russell gaps up here to 1240, and we go from being up a little bit of money, all of a sudden we're down. And so I'm more concerned about the upside in here than I am about the downside. Obviously, I have a long way to go on the downside, and this position is very okay, very healthy if Russell moves slower. But right now, it doesn't seem like Russell really wants to do that. And if we recall, 1220 is this level kind of right in here. So a pullback to there would really be a great way to exit this trade, but it just doesn't seem to be materializing. And if we trade higher first rather than lower, I don't want to be giving up all of the open profit in this trade. So what I decided to do is just sell out the 1180 butterfly. That gives me something that looks like this. So delta goes all the way down to 7, negative 7. Gamma ticks up. Theta stays roughly the same, even though there's a butterfly and then a split strike butterfly in here. And vega goes up a little bit. But this position I feel much more comfortable with, because even if we trade up to 1240, 1245, there's still positive theta at this price point. And it really isn't until we get up to 1258 that the position starts to go underwater. I mean, really, I become concerned about this position somewhere around 1250. So I have more room to run on the upside for sure. And if we do get that pullback down to 1220, I'm not going to make as much money on the position. But over the next few days, this line will tick up and that'll be okay. So I feel more comfortable on the downside. I feel more comfortable on the upside. And we've reduced the risk in the trade. So I think this was the right adjustment to make, just to sit in the trade a little bit longer, try to pick up a little bit of extra theta. And we'll see how the rest of the week plays out today and Friday. And then I may be holding this into next week as well and trying to get out later in the week. So that's all I have for this morning. I hope it helps. Have a great day.